Now let's see another example to enhance our knowledge of variation. Here in the second example, you are given that x varies inversely as square of y. We are also given that the value of x is 9 when y equal to 2. From here, we need to write the expression of y in terms of x. Then we need to find the value of y when x is 1. And we also need to find the value of x when y equal to 3. So let's start. X varies inversely as square of y. You can clearly see that when x varies inversely as square of y, we will use the shape x is proportional to 1 by y square. That means x equal to this proportionality sign when replaced. What do we use? A equal to sign and a constant k into 1 by y square. When x equal to 9, y equal to 2, we are given that. So value of x we put 9 equal to k into 1 divided by value of y is 2 square above that. So 9 equal to k multiplied by 1 by 4. This 4 will come here. 9 multiplied by 4 equals to k. 36 equal to k. The value of k is 36. So from this equation we can say that x equal to 36 into 1 by y square. Therefore y square equal to 36 divided by x. That means y equal to root over 36 by x. This is the answer of question number 1. What about question number 2? Question number 2 asks you that what is the value of y when x equal to 1? When x equals to 1, y equals to root over 36 divided by x. That means root over 36 divided by 1 equal to root over 36. This is 6. This is the answer of question 2. What about question 3? Question number 3 asks you that what is the value of x when the value of y equals to 3. When the value of y equals to 3 given, we need to find the value of x. From which equation we can find that? We can find that from this equation. X equal to 36 divided by y square. So value of y given as 3. X equal to 36 divided by 3 square equals to 36 divided by 3 square means 9. 36 by 9 equals to 4. When the value of y equals to 3, the value of x will be 4. This is our answer.